What's up, y'all? As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, this is what we're focusing on today, okay? Today, we are lacing the Off-White Jordan 5. Yes, sir, the black version, the muslin. I don't know exactly what the name of it is called specifically, but it is what it is. Let's show y'all these one more time. If you didn't see the last video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notifications on for future videos. You get what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Let's show y'all these beauties. Hopefully they don't fall straight out. They look like they about to fall straight out. Or they not. That's what I'm talking about. You see him, now let me see him. Let's take these out the box. Let's take these threes off the feet, my black cement threes. These are my favorite Jordans of all time. Let me take these off. Let's get one more good look at these. You know what I'm saying? Nike on the back. Let's put these aside for right now. Got these now. As far as I know, you got the black laces already laced up in here. What's about to happen though is these white laces is about to go up in here. You know what I'm saying? I'll show y'all one more time. Got the white lace, you got the red lace, and you got the black already laced inside. Those are about to come out. This tag is about to come off. Okay, as y'all can see this one. Nice and clean. I like the way these look. Yes, I like the way these look. This is nice. The black and white, that's cool, whatever, but white lace is about to go in there now. Let's put these aside right now. Let's get the takeout, y'all. Gotta put this on this shoe. Yeah, right there. Show you the Off-White tag. Put that in the box right now. We'll come back to that. Yeah. Show y'all the bag. Right there is clear as day. Shoe tree out. Shoe tree. I just like the way this whole overall tongue feels. Like, let me show y'all the inside of the shoe. You know what I'm saying? Oh, nah, these shits is comfortable. Oh, I always start from one side to the other side. Always like to have the first one loose, so I can make all the other shoestrings afterwards loose. Show y'all some progress. Show y'all the progress. I'm gonna get some nice B-roll shots of the shoe at the end of the video. Here's the tag at. Let's put this bitch on. Make sure it's facing up. I wanna make sure it's facing at least backwards. Some way. So the point doesn't hit the ground. Comment down below what's your favorite Off-White sneaker. Show y'all how these look. Got the tag right there, hanging nice and tight. You know what I'm saying? That shit not going anywhere. That shit not going anywhere. I'm trying to tell you. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Hold on here, do some adjustments. Then you gotta do your little adjustments at the end. A little tighten it up. Nice little tighten. Nice little tight. Pull that. Bada bing. Bada boom. Yes, sir. And they got a hole right here. This one is nice. The hole right here is nice. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Do some on feet for y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the B-roll. Show y'all all that. Let's put these on. Look, you know what I'm saying? Comment down below if you know what I'm saying, you like the way these look. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on. Comment down below how y'all feel about the video, how you like the way I lace my shoes, you know what I'm saying? I like the way these look. I ain't gonna lie, I like the way these look. I still gotta do certain adjustments. I'll do that whenever I like actually wear them. But overall, yeah, this is like, you know, yeah, you get the point. Yes, sir.